Deep cleaning on Acer Predator Helios 300 PH315-52 gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Anthony, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning a laptop is a wise and proactive choice for maintaining its performance, reliability, and longevity. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris can accumulate inside the laptop, particularly around critical components like cooling fans, vents, and this buildup can obstruct airflow, reduce the cooling system's efficiency, and lead to overheating, which may cause performance throttling, system instability, and even permanent damage to sensitive hardware components. Ignoring this issue can result in a noticeable decline in the laptop's speed and responsiveness, as well as a shortened overall lifespan. Professional deep cleaning involves carefully disassembling the laptop to access and thoroughly clean its internal components using specialized tools and techniques. This process restores optimal airflow, ensures the cooling system operates efficiently, and minimizes the risk of overheating, even during resource-intensive tasks such as gaming, video editing, or multitasking. Additionally, removing dust and debris can help reduce fan noise, leading to a quieter and more pleasant user experience. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.